swallowed a pecan. Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is. Hi. Solid. Hi everyone, it's me, Jasmine, your local, just your local. I'm just always in your corner. Welcome to the vlog. Today, Mother Jody and I are going to run some errands, which is super fun and super swag. And then I don't know. I painted my, okay, I'm like not okay. I painted my nails. I did it after I had a mental breakdown, so that was really fun. And yeah. Off to Target. Go a little bit long.
Do you have to go like this?
Yeah.
No.
The whisk. It's delicious. Hi everybody. Welcome to my sewing station. We have a little bit of sewing to do. Lotus thrifted these beautiful Levi's 501s with the buttons, vintage, the whole shebang, but they didn't fit her and they didn't fit me either. I'm gonna sew them so that they do fit me. You can totally skip forward to a different part of the vlog. It's totally fine, but this will be a tutorial for anybody who wants to know how to easily, okay, sew their jeans so that they fit. You don't have that like awkward, awful waist gap, and they're actually more comfortable. Something popped. So all you're gonna need are your pants, thread that matches the denim color, and you could do this by hand. You could hand sew this if you want to. Obviously, it's a lot better to do it with a sewing machine, but you could. And then you're gonna need some 1-inch elastic. Make sure it's thick, gotta be thick, and some scissors. So let's get started. Okay, so on the back inside waistband of the jeans, you're gonna make 2 holes that only go through the first layer of denim on either side of the middle, like butt crack part of the jean, okay? And they should be like 5-6 inches apart from each other. So now we're making a nice tunnel for our elastic, okay? So you take your elastic, safety pin it on the end. This is just to help you easily guide the elastic through the hole. It's optional, but it's kind of a life hack. You're gonna thread the elastic through this hole that you just made, okay? Then on one side of the elastic, you're gonna straight stitch the elastic to the jeans so that the elastic does not move. If, like, you know what I mean? So it's like really on there. Okay, so now that the elastic is attached on one side, you can see that if you pull the other side of the elastic and release, the fabric naturally scrunches together because of the way that the elastic pulls and then shrinks back up. It shrinks with the fabric. So you're gonna pull the elastic and then safety pin or sewing pin, whatever you have, the stretched elastic to the fabric so that it stays scrunched. And then you're gonna sew that to the jean and cut off the excess there. So now your jeans will scrunch. I also like to leave a little bit of excess on one side just in case later I need to go back and pull it more to make it tighter. And there you go. So now your jeans fit perfectly and you don't have that really awkward gap in the back where you sit down and the whole world can see your butt crack if they looked down into your ass. Thank you and good night, Los Angeles. Hey guys, so now that I've posted 2 TikToks on my TikTok page, and now I'm a TikToker. Just thought at the end of the day I need to update my feed, post some content. So I've seen people do these acting challenges and they really bother me. So I'm gonna do this one. We're just gonna give it a go. Really excited about this one.
Royal acting challenge. Do you mean you're the blue line?
Oh god.
Surely you don't mean that.
Oh fuck. Well, I may choose a bride that won't stop.
I'm the powerful man in the kingdom.
Yes.
And you will be my queen.
No, don't. Okay. Hold your horses. It's so heavy. Oh, God. Okay, come on. This is just looking at me in her car. Love that. Hi. I have like an e-girl moment going on. Living in the moment. Oh, there she goes. Anyways, good morning. Hello, hi. Right now, I'm at Home Depot because I have this little crafty idea to make a calendar for my room using like the paint sample things. I'm so smart. Actually, I'm sure I saw it at Pinterest at some point and like it's just now resurfacing in my noggin. Not quite sure. But also I look cute, so I might have to take pictures inside of Home Depot. I don't know. That's what's poppin'. I feel weird, but it's okay. I'll survive. Maybe not. You don't know. Okay. Got my calendar for a color theme. I went from purple all the way to tealish green, so that's exciting. And each row goes like dark to light. Although they're kind of awkward shapes, I thought they would be like square. Anyways, I feel like it's gonna look very aesthetic. But it's time for lunch. I just cannot seem to pull it together. Okay, Jasmine, wake up and be present. Mary, did you know? Okay, Christmas is over. Okay, wake up and I got this. Ta-da! I ended up cutting them into squares just because I thought they would fit better. And that way if I'm sitting at my desk, I can like still see the numbers. And then I had an extra row, but I cut them into the days of the week. Bum, ba, bum. I like that each month I can have like a different theme and a different like color palette depending on my mood and what I'm just vibing with during that month. So look how cute it is. And then. Ooh, no. There we go. There's the vibe. I really just can't pull it together. So we're just gonna start over. Usually that helps. Okay. I showered and then I ate dinner. Mom made stir fry. It was incredible. And then I edited it. And then I peed. And then I stared into the distance. And then I got ready for bed and now we're here. It's time to work on some animations. But it's also time to go to bed. So not sure I'm gonna do both at the same time. I'll let you know how that goes. But I love you so much. I think we should continue our question of the day. So what do you do to like mentally reset? I always take a shower. Even if I took a shower like that morning, like if by the end of the day, like I am just like so out of it and I need to just like do something else, I'll literally just take another shower. I don't know, I'm curious because I'm thinking I might need some other options than just showering all the time. Anyways, I love you so much. Don't forget to drink water and take care of yourself. And I think that's it. Okay, I love you.